Hi friends, my name is Dr. Abhishek. Today's topic is difference between multitasking and multiprocessing. First one is a multitasking. Multitasking is a logical extension of multiprogramming. In this system, the CPU execute multiple jobs of switching among the tab in using a time and if switches occurs the frequently that the user can be interact with each program while it is running. Multitasking is further classified into the two categories: single user and multi-user. Uh, Earlier, when computer is inverted, allocated to submit only jobs of a task at the time, but later is available of high-speed processor, one can submit more than one task. So the capability of the OS to accept more than one task, user the terminate multitasking. Multiple jobs are executed by the CPU simultaneously by switching between the them. Uh, the various jobs except for the user difference user. There are two types of multitasking system. First one is a single user multitasking and second is a multi-user multitasking. Next is the multi-processing. Multiprocessing is a system that have two or more processors in the CPU are added into the increasing computer speed of the system. Because it is a multiprocessing, there are many processors that are executed simultaneously. Multiprocessing is a future classified into the categories systematic processing and multiprocessing. Next is when the system is connected to more processor which is currently work on the competition of the task. It is called as multiprocessing system. Next is the systematic multiprocessing system can be divided into the two types. First is a systematic multiprocessing and second is a asystematic multiprocessing. First is a systematic multiprocessing. The operating the operating system here reside on the one processor and the other processor run user the program. Next is a asymmetric multiprocessor. The operating runs on available processor or all the processors simultaneously run by the user program. Next is the difference between multitasking and multiprocessor. The execution of one or more than one task simultaneously is known as multitasking, and the availability of the more than one processor per system is the multiprocessing, and the number of CPU is one and the number of CPU is more than one. It takes moderate amount of time and it takes less time for a job processor. Thank you.